Hey guys, welcome back to PrepN5. Today, we're gonna take it easy and walk through the very first topic of Chapter 1, which is physics and its scope. We'll figure out what physics actually is, why it's such a big deal, and how it connects to everyday stuff. Stick around for the cheat sheet at the end. Alright, let's jump in. So, what exactly is physics? Simply put, it's the study of the physical world around us. We're talking about matter, energy, and how they interact with each other. It's a huge field. It covers tiny stuff like quarks and electrons, all the way up to massive things like entire galaxies. Oh, and keep in mind, physics relies a lot on math to make sense of everything. You'll hear people call physics the fundamental science a lot. Why? Because pretty much every other science comes from it. Think about it. Chemistry is really just applied physics looking at atoms. And biology. That's basically applied chemistry looking at molecules. Everything boils down to the laws of physics. It's even created cool mashup fields like astrophysics and biophysics. Physics isn't just something boring stuck in a textbook. It's literally everywhere in your daily routine. Just walking down the street involves friction and gravity. The fridge in your kitchen runs on thermodynamics. And hey, you watching this right now on your screen. That's electromagnetism doing its thing. It's all physics. Looking back at the 20th century, physics went completely crazy and revolutionized our world. Stuff like quantum mechanics and relativity totally changed the game. Because of those theoretical breakthroughs, we got semiconductors, which means we got modern computers, lasers, fast fiber optic internet, and even advanced medical machines like MRIs. Alright, we made it. Here is your PrepN5 cheat sheet. Go ahead and grab a screenshot of this. For the board exams, just make sure you know what matter and energy are. Remember that physics goes from microscopic to macroscopic scales. And definitely remember it's the fundamental science, since they love asking that in MCQs. Catch you in the next one.